Welcome back. Today we're going to tackle two fundamental structures in TypeScript that help manage collections of values, arrays and tuples. Understanding these will greatly enhance how you organize and manipulate data in your projects. Arrays in TypeScript work much like they do in JavaScript, but with the added benefit of type safety. An array can hold multiple values of the same type, and TypeScript ensures that all elements in the array conform to the declared type. Here, scores is an array of numbers. Adding a value of a different type, say a string, would result in a compile time error, preventing potential bugs. You can also declare arrays using the generic array type. This is equivalent to using the square brackets, but can be preferable for readability or consistency in projects that heavily use TypeScript's generic types. Moving on to tuples. Tuples extend the capabilities of arrays by allowing you to specify the type of each element in the array. This means that unlike a standard array, a tuple can contain elements of different types. Here, person is a tuple, where the first element is a string and the second is a number. Tuples are particularly useful when you need to return multiple values from a function or when you're dealing with a fixed set of elements. Tuples come with a caveat. When manipulating them, you need to be aware of their fixed structure. Adding or removing elements or assigning values of incorrect types can lead to errors. While you can push new elements to a tuple, it can lead to unexpected behavior if not handled carefully. TypeScript enforces the tuple's type structure strictly at the point of assignment. Arrays and tuples are powerful tools in TypeScript, offering a mix of flexibility and type safety for your data collections. By choosing the right structure for your data, you can write more effective and error-resistant code. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can get the complete course on Udemy, where you will find code assignments, quizzes, and more detailed lessons to enhance your TypeScript skills. The link is in the description below. Check it out and take your learning to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.